Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, this is my dirty rice video that I tried to do on live yesterday, but we all know how that ended up working out. I got me some ground beef right here. That's about a pound of 8812 ground beef. And I got me some parboiled rice, some Tony Saturated seasoning, and I have me some Worcestershire. Anyways, I got me some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some onions, and you could add red and green bell peppers to it also. I just didn't have any on hand. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get our ground beef browned off here. Got me a pan with just a little vegetable oil in the bottom of it, just to kind of get this going. This is a kind of lean ground beef, so it's not gonna have a lot of fat in it. And guys, I got some good news about my internet. I was talking to tech support last night, and they sent out a technician today, and they discovered that the equipment is too far from where I operate all of my devices. The equipment is on one end of the house and I'm on the other end, so the signal isn't that good. So they're gonna come back out and move that setup to like the central part of the house, and then everything should be good to go. So hopefully I can get that done by end of next week. Alright, so all I do is just seasoning up my ground beef. I added a little coarse black pepper. Then I'm gonna hit it with some of this onion powder and some garlic powder. And I'm going to use a little bit of this sea salt right here. And that's going to be all for seasoning my ground beef. We're just going to get that mixed in and let this continue to brown off for us right here. Alright, and after I have that pretty much browned off, you can see there's not a lot of liquid left inside of here, so that's why I went on ahead and just seasoned it first. I'm going to add my onions inside of here. Now if you're using a ground beef like a 7327 or something like that that has more fat and liquid in it, you definitely want to pull off that liquid first and then season your ground beef. Otherwise you're just going to be throwing away all of that nice seasonings. So once our onions cook down a little bit, starting to get just a little bit tender for us, looking like this, then go ahead and come in here with my parboiled rice. This is 2 cups of Uncle Ben's parboiled rice. You can wash it if you would like, but I'm still living. Been doing it for years and nothing happened to me yet. So we'll go ahead and get that mixed in just like that. And then once I get that all mixed in, I will come and add some water inside of here. I'm going to add 3.5 cups of water. You could add 4 cups if you would like a nice little tender rice. I like my rice to have a little firm chew to it. So that's 2 cups of H2O. I'm going to come in here and add another 1.5 cups to it. Alright, then I'm going to come in and add my seasonings inside of here. Some onion powder, some garlic powder, and then after I added that garlic powder, everything kind of went downhill.
Ooh, that Tony will get you, boy. That Tony will get you.
I'm telling you that Tony does not play. They'll add me some of that. Yeah, whatever. I added some of that, and I added just a little bit of Kitchen Bouquet, guys, just to give it a little bit more color to it. And I know somebody in the comments is going to come and tell me this is not authentic dirty rice. I just know it. But I'm going to politely just hit that hide user from channel, and I'm not going to see any more comments from them ever. I know this is called a sausage dressing, technically. But let's just go with the flow. It's dirty rice. Alright, so what I did is I just covered it, let it come up to a ball, and then I'm just moving it around, making sure nothing was sticking on the bottom. Everything was fine, so I covered it back again, let it go for about 6-7 minutes till the water starts really evaporating like this. You get that really fast bubble like that, you can tell that that water is really evaporating. So at this point I just covered it back and turned the heat off, guys. And you could just let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Once you turn the heat off, and it's still going to be hot enough that that rice is going to absorb the rest of that liquid. And it should give you a nice fluffy rice, just like this right here. This is after about 15 to 20 minutes of it just sitting. Finish absorbing the rest of that rice. It might not seem like it will, but trust me guys, it most definitely will. See, this came out absolutely wonderful. If I can get that steam out of there. But you got a nice tender rice to my liking. Onions nice and tender. Has a nice beautiful color like that dirty rice should have. So this came out absolutely wonderful. I'm gonna have the full recipe in the description of the video, guys. And the cook time, I know I was rambling on a little bit, but I'll have the full directions and everything inside of the description of the video. I didn't do a taste test with this because this was going to be for my live video. So all I can tell you is that it turned out absolutely wonderful, and it is gone. That's been gone for days now. Alrighty guys, so this was a quick little dirty rice meal right here, or rice dressing, whatever you want to call it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest. Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. That's exactly what I'm going to do with this internet. Take it to the Lord and leave it there. Peace.